Yes, good morning. So this welcome to session. I'm going to share. Yes, oh, 1 minute.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. Please go ahead, Fatima. Introduce yourself.
Hi, sir. I'm Naz Fatima. I have completed my graduation in BSc Computer Science. My passed out is 2023, and then I have done a course in Java developer, and then I'm working in Humanify company in Bangalore.
Very good.
Currently, I have done 6 months in a office. Then I have taken work from home, and I'm continue the work from home, sir. Now
Mhm.
I have joined ABP to get my career still further good, and then get hired into well companies.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you,
So,
sir.
thank you. So, fine. So, rest and all okay. Anyone have any questions on previous topics? Yeah, please mute, please. Yeah. So, any questions from Aishwarya?
Hello.
Yeah, Suresh, you have any questions?
Yeah, sir. Actually, uh, see, yesterday you said in the class www.sap.com,
Yes,
some website is there, no?
yes, correct.
So, where I can get that configuration documents, example SAP, FICO configuration documents, FI model,
Okay, okay, fine.
the
Yes.
MM model, CO model,
So,
like that,
fine,
and
fine,
in which
understood.
field
I
learning.
got it. So, I'm going to show you. Wait, my screen is visible to you? Eh,
Yeah, yes, sir.
yes, right. So, go to the
Yeah.
website. Okay. Here you type it help.sap.com. Yes, here. Why this is restricted? Yesterday it was somewhere something.
Yesterday it is open, sir.
No, something went wrong in my system. Something you can check it out. Reload. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the 1 minute. Okay. site is opening. Once we go to the bottom. So
So it's
here.
not opening for me also.
No. Wait. About SAP information. Now, generally, that was help.sap. I'll check it out and get back because what exactly the way to is simply you can suppose go to the SAP help library, help portal, open. So it will take you to
Okay.
the help.sap.com/docs. Yes, it will
Hmm.
take TPS because I think yes, this is the way slash docs
Okay.
SAP help portal. Here in English you
Okay.
can say that SAP FICO. Okay, yes,
Okay.
like this
Okay.
directly, openly. So that is we cannot type like that. Type SAP finance module. That particular
Okay.
module related. See SAP S4 HANA extension to
Hmm.
Republic. Yes, you will get the links, suggested links based on your keyword search. If you want to go for simple finance, SAP
Hmm.
simple finance, search term should be SAP simple finance.
So
So
what is this difference between
no, no, no,
simple finance and
no, no,
S4?
no. That is your FICO simple finance. Yes, for finance, there is a difference definitely. Okay, so if
Okay.
you go, that's what you have to go and search in detail.
Okay.
In
Okay.
detail, links are there. Link because it's a kind of ocean. All
Hmm.
the things are available for you, but slowly you have
Okay.
to go through it. Link, okay. If required, you can go to right click, open with
Hmm.
new tab, and slowly you can get into SAP library application help, German
Hmm.
based or English based. Here you will
Hmm.
find the ERP links, industry specific. So complete documentation is available. with release and
Okay.
version wise. Only you have to have a lot of patience to read and search.
Searching.
Yes, yes, everything available because SAP freely providing everything to all. Right.
Okay.
Okay. And that too, this is error-free material. You can completely follow step by step because
Mm. Mm.
this is the guide for SAP learners,
Mm.
SAP consultants. SAP
Mm.
consultants means those who are working in a project also. If they
Mm.
stuck at one place, they'll
Mm.
refer to this only. This is
Okay.
because this website is from SAP. That is
Okay.
SAP official website. They only
Mm.
provided complete in and out documentation of everything. Only
Mm.
all steps, all procedures, all everything abapers, basis, functional, all module specific. Everything is available. Only
Mm.
slowly you have to search based on the keyword search till you get the relevant
Mm.
required stuff. Okay, this is
Okay.
your right. Yeah, so
And
one
what is this, sir? Actually, open. Yesterday you explained open
open
SAP.
SAP, that's what
What is
it's,
that?
it is a open SAP. It will take you to the same SAP library only, SAP learning portal. Yes, this is
Okay.
SAP learning
Mm.
online because
Mm.
officially SAP itself is providing free learnings and free certifications completely.
Mm.
Yes, but
Mm.
this is only the demand latest recent one because this is
Mm.
the SAP plan behind this is
Mm.
here they will give the complete authentic information from the subject matter
Mm.
experts. They will come once you enroll
Mm.
you with your mail ID, you will get the mail links. You can join that
Mm.
and go through it. And
Mm.
this is they will give complete latest up to date information. Yes, daily sessions they will take. Okay,
Mm.
finally you can give the exam certification exam from your while sitting at your home itself.
Okay. If I want to do SAP FICO certification,
No, no, that's what.
so how
One minute.
many months?
No, 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 no.
Okay.
Here, that is different. Actually, here,
Uh,
the learning hub portals are latest
mm.
demand things are there. Here, certain because there is a at one stage it will take you to the payment mode also, online
Mm.
certifications also. So there is a company working employees will have the yes user ID. Yes user ID is
Mm.
required to work with that. These details I'll give you little later. So
Okay.
I'll give complete, no worries. I'll give almost all details. So
Mm.
any other questions?
Other questions. Mm.
Oh.
So if I yesterday you said for certification SAP certification
Hmm.
4.5 lakhs
Yeah,
is
yeah,
there.
yeah. No, 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 no. I will cover that part because yesterday's
Mm.
overview of 100 reasons, that was the one stretch at a stretch I have prepared it. But
Mm.
again, each line by line I'll come back. What is the certification cost, what are the methodologies, everything I'll going go and cover in the next upcoming. So let us
Mm.
we will I have something to share with you. I'll continue. Okay, right. Okay,
Mm.
we will come back to your questions. So Fatima, thanks for your introduction. And
Okay.
Aishwarya, you have any specific, any relevant question?
No, sir.
Thank you. So if please go on mute everyone. I'll just give further information because whatever I planned for you guys, because certain things I am covering there, few other stuff I am covering here, but ultimately, yes, I need to open the Q&A session notepad. Yes. So first of all, like once you have targeted IT industry, you will get a job, no doubt about it. Yes, at the respective stream and all, completely. So now, as a fresher, but certain things once you join also, you have to have like IT company standards point of view. So they will. Okay, ask you to enter your all of your details. Generally we will go with this type of first name, middle name, and the last name, right? This way we will give, this is the IT strategies completely. They will give three inbox boxes, you have to enter it like this. So generally Indian style of writing differs from the company standards, or US style we will follow. That is, the surname, last name is nothing but your surname. Okay, example, I'm just giving one example. You know Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella, right? Everybody aware of that. So Satya is the first name, Satya Narayana actually second name, and Nadella is the surname. Okay, that means their surname is, his surname is this. Okay, so in Indian style, normally we will write Nadella Satyanarayana. That is the Indian style of pronunciation or calling. But when it comes to this, it is exactly, yes, different. Last name is always the surname. And moreover, as per IT standards, we will call everyone's by their surname only. So that's why we simply call him as a Satya, simply. Okay, or Satya Nadella, people call, right? So this is one of the example, you remember it. And in the second standard is, in IT we never call anyone with sir or madam. That is only the education college level or at university level we will go with sir madam. But in IT we call everyone directly by their name, directly by their name. Yeah, if you want, I can write it down. Just you can take one more example. Okay, Chandra Babu, just okay, and Naidu. But what is his? This is Nara is the his surname. So right, in India we call it as Nara Chandrababu Naidu. But if you want to write it in a US style, the standard approach, Chandrababu becomes first name, Naidu becomes middle name, Nara becomes last name. This is another example. So similarly, you also prepare your name. Now onwards, follow this style of, okay, introduction also, right? Next, like what did I say? Yes, we call them directly by their name, or else you can call it as Mr. Satya, Mr. Chandrababu, Mr. Trump, Mr. Modi, directly, Mr., or we can say Mrs. MRS, or else MISS, Mrs. or Miss, okay, like that. So this is the way to address everyone's. If you want to use this prefix, okay, it's more professional. Otherwise also you can call them as directly by their name itself. Because generally we hesitate to call by their names, but in IT we have to habituate. Yes, we have to habituate. That is must. And moreover, there is no, if we call them by name, what will happen? Nothing will happen. That is the standard way of. That is also one type of IT standard, right? Next, we have in IT companies, we have the dress code policies are also there. Formals for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday casuals. This are most commonly uh, this is used. Okay, generally office hours. Any level 5 company, top level MNC companies are using with. Generally, if you work with 9 to 5, okay, is one strategy, or 10 to 6, or 10 to 7 sometimes, yes, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. or 6 p.m., 10 to 6, okay, right. Because why I said 6 or 7, right, overall Indian HR point of view, we have to work for 8 hours, correct? 8 hours minimum, but including a lunch break and all, they are, it is going to be 9 hours. So in 10 to 6, 8 hours, but they will extend it to 7, so excluding breaks and all. So your mandatory timings, earlier there was a mandatory, but nowadays this is the general shift. If sometimes what will happen, we will go with a different types of region specific nowadays, based on once you tagged to the client or project, we work at different, sorry, different time zones. Mostly it could be we log in by 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. That is IST point of view. I am everything I am telling you IST point of view, not okay, or 3 to 11 also. This is a kind of second shift. Okay, 3 p.m. to, yes, morning, around it will go with 11 also. Yes, this is one of the way. This is generally called as second shift, because if you go to the normally Indian standard day shift jobs are 9 to 5 or 9 to 6 jobs. If you want to go with ABC shift, A shift, B shift, C shift, or first shift, second shift, third shift. A shift begins with morning 6 to 2 or 7 to 3. B shift begins with 2 to 10 or 3 to 5. And the night shift, that is C shift, is night 10 to morning 6. This is the way three shifts, the shift wise factories or companies are working, plants, manufacturing process will work. But IT point of view, if you come here, generally we call it as a US time zone. Suppose if you want to go to the US time zone, mostly we log in by 5 p.m. in the evening. We will work around night 12 or 1 or 2 or 3 at least. Okay, yes, it depends. Once you have to complete your task and all, right, we cannot count exactly the 8 hours or 9 hours. So that's what the most of the US times. Sometimes UK time zone is a combination of afternoon 3 to 11 and all. Partially we will cover that, and some very few this side, like east side, if you are working for a Japan based, Hong Kong, Japan based, that is we will start from the morning 4 a.m. to 2 2 p.m. also. That is another type of, yes, 4 a.m. also some people will log in. So 4 p.m. to 2 p.m. This is a kind of time zones, different time zones through, because based on the client, which client you are tagged to, which country, that client location, accordingly we have to work. Okay, it's not like where you are connecting from Indian time. No, we will go for the generally standard client based timings we will follow into once you join in a project and all, right? Some companies also have like nowadays what is happening after post corona is the hybrid model is there. Earlier that completely work from home. Okay, due to corona and all. Post corona, slowly the trend got changed. So there is a concept called as hybrid model. In hybrid, what happens? We have to go to the office weekly, 2 days or 3 days. Okay, yes, remaining 2 days you can work from home. Or else overall monthly 12 days you have to go to office. Remaining days you can work from home. That is a kind of different. Okay, so and nowadays companies made mandatory policy to stay for 2 hours minimum once you come to office. So there are lot of rules, trend getting changed. We have to adapt it as per the company's policies and all, right? Next, this is what the company's related relevant information. There is a one more slide we have just for freshers point of view. As a part of induction, these slides are shown to the freshers, those who are campus recruited. freshers because they are totally new to the software industry. Correct, because the college days is different, the company's days is different. So how they are going to, yes, yes, 1 minute. Let me open this. Like quickly, I will take you through the slides wherever required. This is the slide which is important. Must be. I feel like it is useful to you. Like yes, look at this. So first of all, business etiquettes. Etiquettes means kind of mannerisms. So first and foremost thing is what is important. Okay, the impression, 55% impression. Okay, based on the look, appearance means dress, how you looks like that. That is leaves a lot of impact. Remaining 30%, 38% the voice, pitch and tone. Remaining 7% only the actual subject. This is the fact. Okay, you have to understand the fact. That means we have to give more important to the non-verbal scenarios. Okay, yes, that also have lot of impact. Yes, this is 21st century is all about leaving impression on others. How you are going to affect people, affect audience, affect client, affect interviewer. How you are going to impress everyone. So this is one of the slide which gives awareness for you. Right. Next slide. What is etiquette? It's a kind of rules, behavior, which defines the behavioral mannerisms related for the polite society. What is the business etiquettes? Okay, good manner, courtesies and all covered in the upcoming sessions. Yes. So, good business etiquettes. Okay, gestures, postures. This also matters. We call it as nowadays while typing message. Also, we use emojis because rather than writing that lengthy text, we will simply keep one emotional that thumbs up symbol. Suppose that is we are giving that it's okay, it's accepted, it's confirmed, okay, or it's noted, something like this type of impression we'll get. Yes, this is a lot of emojis have different context dependent. We will use this emo. We have to be more careful and relevant, meaningful things we can use it here. That is, postures or gestures is a part of that. Interpersonal skills also I have covered. Yes, when you work in a corporate environment, we work with different professionals, he, she combinations and all. So everywhere we have to behave very polite way. Yes, this is very important. You go through this completely. Okay, different we deal with different mindset people. We have to call them by first name. Okay, yes. Right. Even if we don't know, you can ask and pronounce their name correctly or not. You can cross check it. Yes. Right. Next, punctuality is it is related to the time management. So reach to the office, reach to the uh, conference hall, reach to the meeting hall at the specified time. Yes, you reach before time, 2 minutes 5 minutes before. That is the best practice to avoid all unnecessary distractions and all. This is also important. The time is related to the punctuality is a very good skill, a management skill. The almost all the topmost achieved people, they are good at punctual. Yes, on time. Okay, yes. Next, cell phone mannerisms. Nowadays mobiles are everywhere we are using, but usage of cell phones also have very important. First and foremost, keep your cell into silent mode or vibrate mode. Sometimes better to switch off when you are in a conference room, when you are attending a this important meetings and all. That is to avoid major distractions. You can inform that I am not available from so and so time to so and so time because we have important meetings at all. This is very important thing. Everyone aware of that in a corporate, because you can carry your mobile, not a problem. But how you are going to utilize, okay, this is a kind. It should not be a major distraction for you or for others also. Right, conversations, how we address, so we can use please and thank you words very often, quite often, frequently. Okay, yes, freely interacting. Okay, so they are giving lot of this is a kind of one company's slides, stand up straight, lot of, okay, because you have to avoid so many things more. Ultimately the attire, the dress code, the professional things are matters here. Yes, completely. Composition also important. That means avoid the slang or some kind of speech and yes, because when we start speaking, the other people start judging. We are from which background, what is our mother tongue influence based on the accent and all. So that's why we have to give meaningful, relevant, common topic in front of all. Mostly the other person's interest point of view, we have to continue our discussion. Yes, that's the most common. Okay, and we have to control all of our emotions also overall. Right, next, this is eating mannerisms also important. Yes, when we are at a interview table mannerisms different, dining table, dinner table mannerisms are different, conference table mannerisms are different. That is altogether called as table mannerisms. Right, so okay, next. Right, you can use excuse me frequently as and when required. Yes. Grooming. Grooming means how you dress up yourself, or how do you attire. And attire means the dress overall looks. So men point of view, we have to have a clear haircut and with clean shave, and as well as we have to polish our shoes daily. Okay, so many corporate standards. Better to maintain our own standards also. That is leaving lot of impact on others. He, yes. So this is about your company standards also. You can go through it. Next, woman point of view. Okay, yes. So what are all the things to be taken care also important. Yes, what to wear and all covered here. How do you handle office equipment? Okay, it could be a printer. Yes, if you want to take printout, yes, you can, you are allowed, but a limited number of prints you can take. Yes, that is also monitored. How you are going to use the company provided asset, laptop or desktop and all, completely. So everything is monitored because that is a company asset. So handle with care everything. Okay, you read this line by line later. Right, next, courtesy, because mostly nowadays the desk open environment we are sitting. Earlier we used to get every desk we used to get a land phone, so that the reception through we used to get the extension links and all. But nowadays we are getting calls directly from your mobile phone only. Yes, or else we will get the ping in the Teams so that you be ready to answer it. How you are going to use the company equipment. This is very, very important. Next, introducing yourself. Okay, authority, basic and clarify. Yes, this is also How you are going to introduce yourself, or you are introducing your team members to the others or clients also. This also important. Okay. Yes. Because we work with the foreign clients also. That's why we have to go in a high professional way. Yes. How you introduce yourself also matters. Right. Next, how you want to introduce someone also given. Okay, quickly. Yes. I already explained Mr. Mrs. and all will use it as a professional. Firm handshake is recommended. Yes, that's also a professional approach. Yes. Sorry. Okay, business cards nowadays, this is a little old trend. We are not, but still exchanging the business cards, keeping the business cards, we will give it to the others. Elevator, that is your lift, how you work in a company's lift. Yes, lift also have some mannerisms. You have to use it. Table mannerisms is in a corporate present point of view. Uh, There is a in hotel management all these things are covered clearly, do's list and don'ts list, where to start, how to start also. This is also a systematic approach is there, because companies after completion of the project also they will take you to the out teaming outing, we call it as. They'll take to the resorts and all, so that you can relax and you can go with indoor outdoor games and all, enjoy the foods and all, and finally can come back and work on Monday onwards. So this is the kind of relaxation, recreation. Okay. Yes. Then go to the toilet mannerisms also there. They are covering everything, because the professional required whatever is there, everything. Yes, thank you. How do you, what kind of phrases we use it here? Frequently, recommended one also covered. Okay, so almost these are all the things required for commonly. Yes. So if you come back again, yes, suppose in IT the payment will get. We will give our bank details every month. First day they will get, you will get a salary. But generally salary is a general term, but we will call it as package, right? In IT, packages are discussed in which manner? LPA. LPA means lakhs per annum. That is, yes, 12 lakhs LPA. Okay. Yes, 12 LPA, lakhs per annum. Because we don't discuss 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 8 lakhs, etc. That means uh, per year, how much you are getting divided into by 12, you will get the monthly. We don't talk. And there are two words we use it. One is what is that industry point of view, we will call it as remuneration. Remuneration is nothing but the salary actually. Okay, whatever you are getting. Compensation is something different. Compensation is if you do extra work, extra pay. This is called as compensation. Okay, extra payment. So, like because in IT, one time we will fix the salary, and remaining days only we will talk on subject work and all work only. This is because at workers level this is applicable. If they go beyond for their extra hours after 8 hours, they will get per hour some payments. That is there. But in IT, what is the meaning of compensation is like if you work in a holiday, what is the compensation? Or festival day, you can take one working day holiday. That is your extra contribution they will give in a other way. Okay, yes, this is about your so you have to know the difference between these two also, right? Companies after processing payment salary to your respective bank, you can check it out your message, but once you log in you will get a pay slip also, remuneration slip also we'll call it as, which consists of the complete breakup, what exactly the basic salary and again allowances and all gross, and as well as net salary. Yes, that is nothing but we use two words here, gross and net. What is the difference? So that is nothing but gross is nothing but your basic salary plus allowances, all extra allowances are equal to gross salary. Yes, this is what. And what is net salary? Net salary is nothing but, yes, gross minus, we can say deductions. Deduction, whatever the deductions, cuttings generally we call it as deductions equal to net. Net is called as take home salary. Yes. Okay, this is about just for the sake of information sake. That means, yes, companies will give HRA, bonuses, all those things comes under allowances. Deductions means you are okay, you absent for some reason. They are deducting based on the policies and all. Okay, all of your EMI is also part of that deductions only. Completely. Company's point of view also they will do. So finally, after that, you will whatever you will get, that is your net salary, because this everything I'm covering because I feel like you are a freshers. It is good to have. And finally, another 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to cover. This is a company's related some info, some add-on information for you to. Okay, anything required also you can ask. I can clarify. Then technological point of view. Technological means a programming point of view. So when you go for, if you want to learn any program, programming is not a very tough area. First of all, don't need to, it's not a rocket science. First of all, you have to be more comfortable to work in as a programmer or developer. First of all, once your basics are clear, fundamental syntaxes and all clear, okay, you can, only what is required, initial understanding is important. Then definitely you can develop a simple, medium, large size program. You can develop 10 lines code, 100 lines code, 10,000 lines code also, because there's this way of introducing the stuff and also. That's why no need to worry. You don't forget about I am poor at maths or I am from this background. You forget about everything. Just to follow the instructions, inputs. You don't have other programming background also, okay, because if you know C, what happens, you can learn others. The statement is, we if we learn one programming, learning other programmings are very easy, because similar kind of, only learning first programming only little tough, rest and all you can learn it very easily and quickly also. Coming back, there are three websites I'll introduce to you. That is nothing but, because which I was yesterday searching. You can go through this. Yes, yes, because yes, Tech T Point. Yes, Tech T Point is there. Yes. This is your use. Sorry, uh, minute. No, all 1 second. Sorry. T Point Tech. T Point Tech. Okay, this Institute of Technology, right? This was the because see the sensitivity. Here you will find at least at your free time because these are all the proven latest demand technologies or programming languages. At least you can go through it what is what. If you want to go for C in detail, you can click on this link C++, SQL, JavaScript, Java, Python languages. All those stuff in detail given here. HTML, CSS, React.js, Node.js, Spring Boots, C hash, that is C sharp, PHP. Yesterday I forgot that ASP, JSP. Similarly, we have hypertext preprocessor. We call it as PHP. Very very important. And MySQL, MongoDB, yes, AI technologies, AI ML also is there. So you if you scroll down, that's what the same sequence they have given. So if you look at Python, what is there in the Python is also covered here systematically. Python relevant this thing. Go to the Java, core Java, servlets, JSP, Spring Boot, Hibernate, Java Web Services, Sphinx, and everything. JWT. That
Sir,
is.
above one is all relating to Python, na?
Ah, yes, 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 correct. Exactly. Say,
Python, Selenium,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
these
But
all
mostly,
task.
yes. Mostly,
Okay.
yes. This is yes because the section is like that. So you can go
Okay.
through Java. This is the related to the PHP framework related. Okay, PHP. That is the web development. PHP is used for web development.
So all these
This
are
is
programming languages, na?
yes, 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 yes. Programming
Okay.
languages. And moreover, these are all software testing related mostly. Okay, agile is a methodology for that project implementation. Jira I introduced for project management tool. Okay, this JMeter is a kind of middleware tool. Okay, so AI UI path, RPA robotics. So this is again kind of go through it in detail. .NET is completely .NET framework. C Sharp .NET, ASP.NET, ADO.NET, and even SharePoint. These are all VB.NET. All are Microsoft technologies. And this is a normal MCA BTech papers are also commonly used. Please mute, please. Okay,
Okay.
data structures and algorithms. Yes, DAA, OS and all those stuff. Okay. Yes, this is again your engineering colleges syllabus are also covered here. You can go through it. It's the latest React, JS and all because this is a kind of everything is available in the net. You have to just go through it. Okay, trending technology. The name is trending means cloud computing. What is that? If you want at least what is Hadoop, what is GitHub, what is machine learning, Google Cloud, Azure Cloud, AngularJS, Node.js, Power BI, Tableau, what are all the ways it will go for the visualization tools and all. At least free time you can refer it because this is only the just because available. No need to pay to anyone. Only your yes. This all this knowledge at least because at one way or other way this everything is useful only. So databases when the database starts SQL, PL SQL, MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, SQL Server or SQL Server, Oracle. Yes, this is the DB2 is my IBM database. So this is about your database. Cloud, AWS Cloud, Azure, Salesforce also cloud, Google Cloud. Big data analytics. Our Hadoop is also part of that big data analytics purpose. Kubernetes and Jenkins, all those things comes under our dev apps. Dev apps is a development plus operations. That is another area. So important tutorials is here. Jenkins are covered. R programming is also there. Chart GPT. Yes, this is the dev apps. Okay, but in which sequence they covered a little confusion, but still go through it. Even you want to go with Microsoft Excel also, you can. Yes, so this is about your one of the way. And one more website you can note down, that is most probably is W3 Schools, most popular website. Yes, online web tutorial. Most so you can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, same languages again. If you want to go to the any language, if you go to the C, double click. So it will take you to the C tutorial. Even see the example is Hello World program is there. Click on test yourself. You will get the output. See left side is the editor, right side is the output. Click on run, you will get the output here. Hello world. Okay, already it is executed. So I think yes, it is editable. You can write rather than that, you can write it down. You will get errors and solve it. So this is about the kind of more flexible. You can revise it. What are all the C related topics and all the other things. Then last website is lot of online tutorials are there. Yes, nowadays you can learn from your home. Tutorials point. They also provided lot of latest updated technologies completely. Okay, yes, start learning. Okay, yes, data structure algorithms, Linux. Okay, Linux or Linux. Yes, operating systems. Okay, yes. So this is about your overall. Okay, technological point of view, right? So if you have idea, that could be better, right? These three things you noted down. And yesterday in our WhatsApp group also, I have shown you SAP point of view. Actually, SAP TV, you type it in Google, you will come to know this one, the YouTube channel feature for SAP software and all. So that means SAP itself opened one SAP TV here. They are giving the yes. You can yes, you can look at here SAP TV. Okay, right click open. Yes, you can subscribe here. What exactly our people, our culture, and all. You will come to know the latest. Yes, right. You can trending community. This thing. Then if you go to here, yes, you will come to know. Yesterday I have posted one in our community in our WhatsApp group. Here how the implementation happens and all. They will give completely one after another live customer testimonies and feedbacks. You can go through it here. Okay, this is another SAP related additional information. You can click and go through it. And last conclusion, most commonly topic for all IT consultants is this is not a SAP specific or programming specific. Common topic is work and life balance. Okay, this is very important. Yes. Okay, this is a because I told you right here I am going to cover randomly many things, missing things. Yes, work. So work means 8 hours we work. Sometimes in IT we cannot say that only work for 8 hours. If required, you are to ready to work for 8 hours or 16 hours or 32 hours also. Yes, depends. As long as work finished, we have to work. Yes, but in between you can take break. But if there is a final deliverables, because when project comes, it comes with a deadline. When task is given to you, they will give you a timeline. So when you work under the stipulated timeline, you need definitely there is a stress comes. So there is a part of stress management is a most common topic, commonly required for IT people and all. How do you balance the stress? Some are more workaholic. Work means they work in a passion, more passion based. But that is important. The other side, life also equally important. How you manage the work stress? It should not impact our personal mental health or physical health. That both are very important. So when it comes to life, what are all your relaxation techniques? Refresh, relaxation, rejuvenate techniques. You go for walking or games, or kind of indoor games, outdoor games and all. So you have to have, or you have to have a yoga, meditation, aerobics. It depends, okay, on person to person. But finally we have to balance both. That is stress busters, we call it as. Okay, yes. So this is equally important. Finally, this is the end point. Okay, we have to enjoy the work, at the same time enjoy the life also. That is quality life, quality work output. Stressed life, stress output. Correct? That's what relaxed life, relaxed way you can deliver it also. Just this both are equally important. Work, both reflecting, it is a interdependent. That's why priority is given to this also. Okay, so that's all whatever I planned for you guys, okay, for today's session. And we'll continue tomorrow. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, yeah, thanks.